HoonTV! The Yamaha R1, an iconic motorcycle from bygone days. Once a pinnacle of performance engineering, this machine embodied a new era of speed and agility. However, what if we dared to challenge the present and took a step back into the past? Enter the world of retro-teching, an innovative movement that breathes new life into classic vehicles. With a deep respect for history, HoonTV explores the possibilities of marrying old-school charm with modern-day innovation. Stripped down to its core, the Yamaha R1 feels exposed, revealing a glimpse of its former glory. Every nut and bolt tells a story, a testament to the engineering marvel that once ruled the streets. A labor of love, the high-tech restoration process begins. With care and precision, the mechanics work tirelessly, reviving the Yamaha R1's mechanical soul, rekindling the sparks of its former magnificence. The beauty of retro-teching lies in its ability to honor tradition while embracing modern advancements. Outdated components are replaced, breathing new life into this timeless machine. However, retro-teching goes far beyond superficial upgrades. It is a playground for innovation, where engineers push the boundaries, seeking to enhance performance without forsaking heritage. Out on the drag strip, the R1 roars to life, aggressively charging down the quarter mile. The marriage of classic aesthetics and modern technology unleashes a beast, both beautiful and powerful. A symphony of paint and perfection concludes this incredible journey. The Yamaha R1, reborn from the ashes, stands proudly, bridging the gap between past and present. As the sun sets on our memorable expedition into retro-teching, we bid farewell to this marvel of engineering. The Yamaha R1, once the force that defied time, continues to captivate the hearts of those who hold a deep appreciation for the past. Remember, the allure of retro-teching lies not just in restoring the past, but in forging a remarkable future.